Devyani International and Sapphire Foods just merged to become India's largest QSR company. Their combined revenue is around 8,000 crores, which puts them at par with Jubilant Foodworks that runs Domino's and above Westlife that runs McDonald's. Sounds impressive, right? Actually, not. This is a survival merger. Welcome to day 6 of 100 days of sector snippets. Now, let me give you some context. Yum Brands is the global restaurant giant that owns KFC, Pizza Hut, and Taco Bell. In India, they don't run stores directly. Instead, they operate via franchisees. Devyani and Sapphire were their two biggest franchisees who have now merged. Why? Because QSR is not rice and dal. It is discretionary spending. It's that 300 rupees you spend when you feel like treating yourself. And post 2022, this entire model started cracking. Inflation had hit hard. Food prices, fuel, rent, everything was up except the salaries. So people's disposable income shrunk. They didn't stop eating out completely, but they reduced frequency from twice a month to once. And even a 5 to 7% drop destroys the math that these stores run on because of their massive fixed costs. But the real culprit is the food delivery aggregators like Zomato and Swiggy. These delivery platforms charge 30 to 35% commission on every single order. This cuts net margins by 25 to 30% on their takeaway orders. Now compare this to Domino's. Domino's built its own app. It's literally the fifth most downloaded food app in India. So customers order directly, Domino's keeps the margins, offers better deals, and everybody wins. But for KFC and Pizza Hut, majority of their orders are still dependent on platforms like Zomato and Swiggy. With every order, 30 to 35% just vanishes. And Pizza Hut made things even worse. It was operating like a broken machine in India. Devyani ran the Pizza Hut delivery, Sapphire ran dine-in, Yum Brands controlled the branding. Three companies, one brand, zero coordination. While Domino's moved fast, Pizza Hut sat in meetings. Now, with this merger, there's finally one operator, one PNL, and hopefully one strategy. But let's be honest here, this merger does not fix the demand problem. It does not fix the Swiggy Zomato commission drain. What it does is buys them time to fix their operational chaos.